Oh, I saw your question. On the discussion board, find the magnitude of the vector in standard position with endpoint -4, 3. So I drew a sketch of it. Here's the endpoint. It's the endpoint's -4, -3. Let me mark it. So that endpoint's -4, 3. That means it's 4 to the left of the origin and up 3. We want to find the magnitude, which means the length of it. So in red here, this side of I made a right triangle here. This side's 3, that side's 4. I labeled the hypotenuse side opposite the right angle C, and I just use some Pythagorean theorem on it. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. And I put in 3 and 4 for A and B, so that comes out to 25. And you want plane C, which would be the square root of 25, which is 5. Pythagorean theorem says, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. That's for any right triangle. Hope that helps.